Jaime Chavez from Area Tech, Closing the Digital Divide. Today we are going to see how to split PDF files in different files. Let's see it.
First, you need to go to www.ilovepdf.com. Next, click at Split PDF. Upload the PDF file you want to split. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping the file into the website drop zone, or by clicking a button, select the file from your computer. I'm going to drop this file here. Then you need to choose how you want to split your PDF file. So I love PDF do this by range, so we are going to put here 1 and 10, add another range 11 to 20 maybe, and the next one is going to be 21 to 30. With that, we have the three ranges with the pages that we select. Then we need to go to Split PDF button, then to click, wait, and to click at Download Split PDF button. With that, you're gonna have a folder. In some seconds, you click the folder and you're gonna open the folder with the three files. It's that simple.
As you saw, splitting PDF files is super simple and very useful. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week here at Area Tech, Closing the Digital Divide.